This is Igbo Area TV. Today we bring you the full story and a simple explanation of the latest development in the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra. His court case has now moved from the regular court in Abuja to the DSS headquarters, that is the Department of State Services headquarters, also known as DSS. Why? Why did that happen? You had rumors of that. Yes, it is true. That was what happened today at the court. But why? What are the charges? What is inside the container that they are talking about? And what does it mean for the Igbo people and the whole of Nigeria? Stay with us. That is what we're about to discuss. On Wednesday, May 7th, 2025, something unusual happened. Justice James Omotosho, the judge in charge of Nnamdi Kanu's trial, decided that the trial should leave the Federal High Court and continue inside the DSS headquarters. Why? The reason is because the DSS told the court that there is a shipping container, a 20-foot container, which they say was used by Kanu to smuggle in a radio transmitter. This transmitter was said to be for Radio Biafra. The DSS said it is too difficult to bring the big container to the court. So the judge agreed to go and inspect it directly inside their office. That's how the court moved. Probably the court will return to its normal place at the next sitting. We are watching. Now let's continue. The DSS agent who gave testimony said the container came from London, but it was never declared to Nigerian customs. It was never declared to Nigerian customs. How? How did it pass? Did it fly from London into Nigeria space? Is there any way the container can... Okay, maybe it was seized at, as it was coming in or from the ship. So, the DSS agent who gave testimony said the container came from London, but it was never declared to Nigerian customs. Inside the container, they said they found a powerful FM radio transmitter, computers and recording gadgets, household items like second-hand clothes, 2 pump-action guns, some ammunition, and a small quantity of marijuana. The radio transmitter was the main reason for the inspection. According to DSS, the transmitter was hidden among clothes and sent to a house in Ihiala, Anambra State, the house of one Benjamin Madubugu. You know Benjamin Madubugu. I think around 2015, he was among the people who was arrested alongside Nnamdi Kanu. He was later freed after some years. I think he's free now. You all know Benjamin Madubugu. So, in the court, the DSS played a video. It showed Nnamdi Kanu standing by the container, opening it, looking inside, and talking about the transmitter. They said in the video, Kanu called it a monster and a nuclear weapon that would destroy the enemies of Biafra. He also called Nigeria the zoo, according to them. Now, the DSS witness said that this was not just ordinary talk. He said this broadcast made people in the southeast obey Kanu's sit-at-home orders and that it caused economic hardship. Let us break down the main accusations against Nnamdi Kanu. As at today's court sitting, let us break the main accusation. 1, terrorism. The government says his speeches encouraged violence. 2, importing illegal equipment. They say he smuggled a radio transmitter into Nigeria without custom papers. Number 3, inciting hate speech. According to them, his radio broadcasts often insulted Nigerian leaders, including Southeast governors. Number 4, controlling a militant group. According to them, or no, this is according to them. They said IPOB's armed wing, the Eastern Security Network, ESN, followed his commands to attack. Now, going further, one DSS officer said, all ESN members are IPOB members, but not all IPOB members are ESN. He added that ESN was trained in guerrilla warfare and caused problems in the region. One shocking thing came up in the court. The DSS said Nnamdi Kanu praised an ESN commander named Ikonso after he was killed, and that Kanu said Ikonso would be buried with 2,000 human heads. They said they brought a newspaper article that claimed one arrested IPOB member said they only managed to get 30 heads. The defense lawyer said the newspaper should not be accepted, but the judge accepted it with a certificate of compliance. This part has brought a lot of fear and confusion to many, but remember, it is still an allegation. Now, let us ask the big question. What does all this mean for Ndi Igbo? This trial is not just about Nnamdi Kanu. It is also about how Nigeria sees IPOB, Biafra, and the struggle of Igbo people. Many Igbo people support Biafra because they feel Nigeria has failed them. Others don't agree with Kanu's method, but they agree that injustice exists. As the trial continues, it is important for our people to watch carefully. Let us ask, are these charges true? Is the trial fair? Is this about justice or about politics? Dear Ndi Igbo, this is a sensitive matter. Let us stay calm. Let us not fight ourselves. Let us not cause more violence. But let us not also keep quiet about injustice. If you care about truth, then follow the court case. Ask questions. Speak out in peace. And protect your communities from hate and confusion. This report is for public education only. Igbo Area TV does not support violence, hate speech, or any group that uses force to seek political goals. All accused persons are innocent until proven guilty in the court. Thank you for watching. We will continue to follow this case as it unfolds on June 18th, 19th, and 20th. Stay informed, stay united, and always remember, Igbo Gade. I'm your host from Igbo Area TV. See you next time.
Maxwell is 50 years old today. Happy birthday to you.
The golden boy. The golden boy. Happy birthday. It's very able. I'm not here. It's very like a small boy. No.
But you know, wishing better happy birthday. Have you committed him?
Not usually.
Big man.
Big man. Calm down. Calm down.
Wow, this is a